Hey everyone, my name is Josh. I'm here with Hyundai Power Products. I am their product expert, and today we're going to be walking you through the Hyundai HYVI10030 vacuum. This is a 3000 watt vacuum cleaner with a 100 litre drum. It's got an interchangeable HEPA and sponge filter. You can use it for both wet and dry, and with that large 100 litre stainless steel container, it means you're going to be able to go for a lot longer without having to empty it. It does feature quick release clips on the motor, so when you are emptying it, it's really easy, and it also has a tipping hinge. So if you've filled it up to the top and you're really struggling to lift it, don't worry, you can tip it out and make it easier. You get all of these attachments with it. So you get 2 floor brushes, one for wet, one for dry. You also get a crevice nozzle, and you get a brush nozzle with this. If you're into car washing, you own a carpet cleaning business or anything like that, this is going to be a must-have for you. So the benefit to having one of these machines is it is a 3000 watt vacuum cleaner, but it uses 3 individual 1000 watt motors, which are controlled by the 3 switches on the front. So you can either have 1000 watts of power, or you can have 2000 or 3000. It's really easy to use. You get a 3 years warranty. It has a 5-meter hose and a nice long power cable to go with it. You've got all your filters, so we'll just take it off the top so you guys can see. Easily remove. There is your HEPA filter, and you also get another filter to go into the container so you don't get any of those microparticles going through into the motor, keeping it in nice, good health. Very easy to do, and I'll just demonstrate to you the tipping hinge that we were talking about. And here with the tipping hinge function, very easy to do with that 100 litre stainless steel container. You can just pull that back like so, handle on the front, empty all of the debris that you've collected and put it back, and you're away to go. It does also feature the drain plug on the front of the machine, which you can see by there. So if you are using it for wet vacuuming, any of the liquids that you've collected can easily be drained without having to tip the machine over. And there we have it, guys. So that is the HYVI10030 3000 watt wet and dry vacuum cleaner from Hyundai. Amazing piece of kit. If you own a carpet cleaning business, or you have workshops, factories, anything like that, or you just have a really dirty house, these are going to be fantastic for you. They're also great for car washes. We have a lot of valeters using these at the moment, so you can go and grab yours today at hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk, and we look forward to seeing you guys using our amazing machine.